So I will not take your more time. I will just begin. So let us see first the agenda of today's session. So today we are going to see what is a depth limited search, and I will try to take 3-4 examples, uh, detailed examples. So actually, let me tell you one secret of AI. You should prepare only two algorithms, DFS and BFS, breadth first search and DFS, depth first search. Only the main theme of these two algorithms is little variate, means little variation is made in basic algorithms like BFS and DFS, and other rest of the algorithms in particular unit, and even in fourth unit also. Most of the algorithms are based on BFS and DFS. So I suggest you get strong understanding of these two algorithms. Once you understand those algorithms, you will never face any problem lifelong, because same subject, same algorithms, you will be studying it with different angle, different perspective in subject like design of algorithms, maybe in the other subjects like methodology, programming methodology, or some other I don't know, but there are different subjects where you have to use. For example, typically I can say about system software. There also you need these two algorithms, understanding of these two algorithms. So based on these two algorithms, major algorithms, rest of the designs are minor variation is there, and different algorithms like depth limited search, bidirectional search, uniform cost search, all are based on these two algorithms. Anyway, let us go ahead. So friends, agenda is very simple. We are again going to see that what is the meaning of the search, that we are going to see with different angle inside, and we are going to understand what is a tree and how to correlate the tree concept with the AI problems. Many times I told you that AI is nothing but it is a searching problem. AI is nothing but searching problem, and searching problem is nothing but it is a tree. So we must be able to visualize. You must visualize how tree is correlated with the problem. Many times when we talk about chess and eight queen puzzle or any other problem, it may be game problem or it may be some problem like a automatic car or maybe Google location or traveling salesperson problem. All problems are tree problems. We should be able to visualize them in terms of tree. So that we are going to understand. Then I will talk about two problems which are nearly similar problems. Again, these are also tree problems. Missionary and cannibal problem. Many of you might have been familiar with this. And there is little variation in the another problem, that is a river problem. Then I already have introduced you depth limited search algorithm, but today I will try to explore 2-3 examples uh, through this session. If it is not possible to cover, I will extend them in next session. And definitely there is a homework. I suggest you to follow the homework. Now see the slide. See, there are 3-4 pictures are there. Try to understand. For example, there is a Tower of Hanai problem in one picture. Then in another picture, there is a robot. So it has some task to start from particular location, go to the particular location, and to search particular some objects, whatever, maybe samples in a ground or that weather. Let us assume that this is a picture of Mars. So again, it is a search problem. Then in Google Map is there. So most of the problems are search problem. So you should be able to correlate tree. with it. Now, typically I am talking about the binary tree. Again, note that there are different types of tree. M-array tree, avalanche tree, height and balance tree, like that. Lot many trees are there. You will learn in different subjects. But here we are talking about binary tree. Again, there is a little variation, BST, binary search tree, BST. So it is a little different. Height balance tree is a little different. But after all, it is a tree. Then in a DBMS, you will be learning about multi-key, B star tree, B plus tree. Lot many types of trees are there. So it's better to at least to know different types of tree and their applications are there. Particular tree is used in particular application. So tree is something like this. If you invert that tree, root is there on the top side and branches are there. Children are there, parent is there. So normally we start with the root and there is some goal node somewhere in that tree. Again, I repeat that searching algorithms work on both graph as well as trees. Tree is also a type of graph. Again, in graph, there are different types of graphs, directed graph and undirected graph. Again, try to understand, if possible, to get information. What are different types of graph? Hamilton graph, Euclidean graph, bipartite graph. Different types of graphs are there. So try to get information about it. Today, why there are very less number of students, only 18 students are there. हम लोग यार इतना मेहनत लेके प्रिपेयर करते हैं और आप लोग छुट्टियां लेते हैं. What is the problem? I request your CR and NCR to send me message on my WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp, and tell me what is the issue regarding the low attendance, because I have to report in academics. So this was all about tree. Now, this is one example. Why I am giving you this example? It is a page detection example. It is a machine learning like example. Read there is something written in the bottom. Hoyle-James Jones method. Google it. Learn what is the Hoyle-Jones method. What kind of searching algorithm this face detection problem requires, that you have to learn. If you think that someone will tell you, or you will watch someday YouTube or somewhere, some website or some book, I am sure that most of you do not have a book. You might have not purchased the books. See, there is Amazon, there is a Flipkart. So what are the important subjects? See, from first year to final year, you will learn around 45 subjects, different 45 subjects. Some subjects will have practical, some subjects will not have practicals. But what are the core subjects are there? Like operating system, computer network, AI. You should have your own copy. If you think that you will learn everything only by watching lectures, then it is not sufficient. You must read books, not only web contents like YouTube or whatever. It is not sufficient. It will just introduce you the problem. We don't want introduction. We want in-depth knowledge. If you want in-depth knowledge, you have to read books, good books, that too recommended books. So if you visit HGBU site, Amravati University website, there is a syllabus, and download that syllabus. And in syllabus, at the end of syllabus, There are textbooks are there and some reference books are there. So try to get whatever you get. Try to get the ebook or PDF, or try to get physical books depending on the importance of subject. But keep copy with you, because lot many numerical things which we generally do not cover in class because it is not in syllabus. Many times what happens is that some topic is not in syllabus, but that topic is important. So book contains that thing, and it is a you have to encounter that somewhere. You work in some IT field or maybe in somewhere. So that time you require that description. So book will help you that time. So just try to search Hoyle-Jones method and try to see how the search algorithm tree is utilized in identifying the face. I know that you are familiar with Facebook. Nowadays, Facebook has, if you post some photo, or if your friend posts some photo, and if your face is there somewhere in that photo, just like this, so Facebook automatically detects your presence in that photo. So that is real time. So, so again, tree is used. So you should think that how we can use tree to solve such problems, real time face detection. Even you can correlate same problem. Once you understand this, then you can understand, for example, if you go on highway, there are tolls are there. Now there is a something called as a rapid hashtag or something. So your car goes through that lane, automatically it reads your number plate or sends your card that which is attached on the window, driving window. It immediately detects and validates. Validates means it checks कि भाई this is a this person's car and this number and whatever registration and all that and amount, automatically that amount is detected. So again, you use tree. So what I am saying is that you have to understand philosophy of whatever algorithms, tree, data structures there. Suppose I ask you, I know that you know only fundamentally कि भाई what is queue, what is stack. But when I ask you what is exact application, explain me, then uh, maybe 40-50% students will not be able to explain that thing. But because we don't have that much theoretical foundation. So for that building that foundation, you require to read something. So go and read this. Then again, see this tree on this on one side. Numbers are there. So you will find that left branch or child has a less value as compared to the right child. You can call it as a weight. So means you should understand how we construct tree. So tree has something like this. So it may so edges may have weight as well as the node itself may have weight, but they are arranged in a particular way that you have to understand. I hope you are getting me what I want to say. If anybody wants to interrupt me or if he wants to ask any question, see, don't think the question should be strong. Actually, questions have no meaning. Answers has meaning. Please listen this very carefully. Normally, in interview, maybe TCS, Infosys, or Capgemini, you will face in a final year or maybe in third year, sometimes online or face-to-face interviews. So most of the questions are asked, same questions are asked. If there are 200 candidates, 20 questions are same asked to all the candidates. Then what is important? Important is how you answer. So I try to encourage you. You ask anything. I will try to resolve whatever problem or issue you are asking or whatever doubt you are asking. I will try to resolve it. Because until and unless we interact, this method is not effective because you are simply listening it. So that will not work. What is happening is that कि देखिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं एज ए टीचर करके हम ऐसा गेस करते हैं कि भाई इनको ये बताना चाहिए दिस टॉपिक इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट टॉपिक इज इम्पोर्टेंट हम ऐसा सोचते हैं और हम उस हिसाब से हम आपको प्रेजेंट करते हैं बट दिस इज अ रॉन्ग वे एक्चुअली स्टूडेंट शुड आस्क कि सर हमको डीएफएस में से सिर्फ यही बात बताइए इफ यू हेजिटेट asking in this online sessions you can send me on WhatsApp also I will answer it but I will insist you not to be shy. Shy personality has very large number of disadvantages, even in promotions. Now, whatever the search algorithms we are learning in this unit, normally these search algorithms are divided into four categories like yeah, uninformed search, informed search, optimization search problems, game playing search problems like that. So I suggest you try to get at least four examples of each category, each four category. Give four examples of algorithms as a homework. Even you can send it to me. Don't worry. Uh, it will miss. I will understand that these people are doing something at their end. It is not simply harassing you. Please don't. So blue line tells us that search method provides us possible solution to a problem. Possible solution. That is the important term. Now again, this is a table which contains the comparison whether the problem is a complete, what is the time complexity, what is the space complexity, what is a whether it is it gives optimum solution, least cost solution, minimum cost solution, or whatever. See, different books use different terms, but try to understand what is the meaning of the least, optimum, minimum. These are different terms and different meanings. So this is the comparison. B is for branching factor, L is for length or depth, D is for depth. So these are the parameters. You will get information. I will talk about it in detail at the end of this unit, not lecture. Now I want to ask you one question. Have you visited my site? Yes or no? Anybody? Can I ask Deepali Solanki? You can unmute. And frankly say, sir, I have not visited your site. भाई कोई बड़ा तोपचे थोड़ी हो कि आपने मेरी साइट विजिट करना चाहिए. But I know that you don't visit you have not visited the Bill Gates site, personal website. I also know that you have not visited the uh, Zuckerberg site. 1 minute, sorry for interruption. So sorry for interruption. Are you listening me? Can Dipali Solanke tell me whether she has visited my site or not? बताइए बिल्कुल yes no नहीं sir. Mayuri, you can unmute your mic. Mayuri Patil.
No, sir.
ठीक है कोई अर्ज नहीं. I know that कि you have not visited Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Page. Larry Page, I think you don't know Larry Page. He's a person, one of the partner who invented Google.com. So a lot many people are there, like Microsoft CEO is there. He's a Satya Nadella. He is also Indian. So try to get and attach with those people. So try to create your own Twitter account, not LinkedIn account. LinkedIn account is also important and Twitter is also important. And try to follow those people like Satya Nadella, then Google CV is there, CEO, Chief Executive Officer. He's Sundar Pichai. He is again an Indian. Not many people are running US-based companies, giant companies. Those people are Indian. They are working on very top positions like CEO or manager or GM, general manager or something like that. Every company has different hierarchy of posts, means positions. So try to follow them on Twitter. So what you will get benefit, whatever the new, see, you are not watching the or reading the science magazines or science research papers or engineering research papers. So you are not aware about what is going on, what is needed in the market. So those people tweet those new things. So if you are a follower, then you will immediately know. So you will get some information which is not available in any book or even internet. It is not available on internet. Even if you search in Google, you will not get that information. But if you follow these people on Twitter, then you will get that type of information. And in this era, uh, knowledge or information is a key. The person who has more knowledge, definite knowledge, philosophical knowledge of particular subject or area or domain, he is a highly paid person. See, programmer or developer. So these are the basic requirement. If you say that, sir, I am very expert in, say, I'm not talking about only you, you have answered me. I'm just talking about all the people that, sir, I am expert in Python and Java and I can do any type of programming, Android and all that. And I know this thing, I know client server and I know cloud and all that. See, that is a basic thing because you are a BE computer science engineer student. So that is basic thing you are knowing. But what is more than that? So if you follow those people, even you can follow me. I found that most of you are not following my YouTube channel also. So whatever something new, I don't want to say that I am as compared to Bill Gates or Zuckerberg. I don't want to say that. But I want to say that develop this practice so that someone will not tell you the information. Don't wait for someone who will come to you and he will tell you some information or some tip. You generate it, on your own site and tell the people, this is a new, that is a new, this new technology is coming. Let us say example of the IoT 4.0 technology, Internet of Things. This is again a buzzword. Data science is the buzzword. So follow the universities like Stanford, MIT, foreign universities. Every university has 3, 4, or 5, or more than that Twitter handles. Whatever programs, like just like our college, we arrange a pursuit or something. So they also arrange some programs on their site, and they put some photos on that Twitter handle account. So if you follow them, you will get latest information. Even you follow the NASA also. by these leading people. What is happening in India? We are only copying them. Again, I repeat one thing. In India, the deep of pain. See, in India, there is IIT, IISc, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore is there. Lot many NITs, VITs, regional colleges are there. They are charging too much fee. But what is happening? This is a pen costing 2 rupees and it's cheap. It is a German made. So even after independence, after 70 years, our Indian technocrats who are passing from IITs are not able to produce some products like this, which is costing 2 rupees. Now what is happening? We are importing technology, machinery, all that manufacturing machinery from Belgium or Germany or some other country. And here what we are doing, we are producing it. We are not using our brain and we are selling it. तो हम तो यार सेलर हो गए. सेलर मतलब क्या हो गया? प्रॉफिट कमाने वाला एक आदमी. So as a good student, at least I don't want to say that thing. After pass out, if you join somewhere or if you start your own business, that is different thing. But at least these 4 years are there with you. Maybe BE, ME, MTech or PhD or whatever. During your learning, try to follow those people and try to get latest information and uh, enhance your thinking capability. Thinking capability simply ऐसे ही नहीं होता. आपको कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा. You have to use pen and paper. अभी जब तक आप करेंगे नहीं, आप सब बोलेंगे कि सिंपल मैं लिसन करता हूँ उससे होता है. ऐसा नहीं है. See, I am not lecturing. It's my job that I should tell my students that what is important. See, nowadays MCQs are there. You know how to pass it. Every student get 80%, 90%. That marks are there. Those marks are have not meaning. Even though you have 95% or if you have 85%, that doesn't matter. When you go for campus, you have to face that company's aptitude test. Again, aptitudes are common. The aptitude test of TCS and aptitude test of Infosys are nearly same. That is not, there is not much difference. But what is difference? There is a HR interview. There is a technical interview. That is the difference. So if you want to prepare for it, you have to lectures, you have to listen my lectures. Say, I'm not boasting. I'm telling you this thing. It is very serious. And I'm very discouraged that there are only 17 students. So that is not a good sign. One minute, I will continue. So visit this site. Lot much photographs, much information is there. Perhaps it may help you somewhere. I don't want to say that कि भाई visit करो, like करो. Not only that. To just develop one attitude. See, that is called the attitude. It's not an aptitude. You have to develop it to become a successful person. So this is my URL, site.google.com/site/cmmankar, or you can simply put CM Mankar without space in Google. You will get the URL of this site. Lot many links are there. Just go there, see what is there, and come back. Don't do anything. But there are some students with whom I worked in previous years. We have conducted many workshops and lot many things. Lot many things are there on that site. Means I have conducted data science workshops, machine learning workshops, cyber security workshops. You will get, just go through the photographs. You will find that these are the students like you. अभी ठीक है, अभी पेंडेमिक है करके आप अपने घर पे है, बट अगर आप यहाँ पे रहते थे तो मैं आपको बहुत सारा काम देता था, मे बी थ्रू सेसा और सम अदर एक्टिविटीज़, और हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत सारे वर्कशॉप्स कंडक्ट करते थे. इससे क्या होता था, आपका इंटरपर्सनल स्किल बढ़ता था। अभी क्या हो रहा है, आप फोन पे ही बातें कर रहे हैं और आप झल्लाहट कर रहे हैं, मतलब चिड़चिड़ कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज you are at home, you are not able to play even in a full-fledged manner wholeheartedly. You are not able to go and watch movies in theater. To watch movie on Netflix on mobile phone is different thing. It doesn't build anything in you. But anyway, as I told you in beginning, that we try to watch space adventure movies through Netflix or YouTube or whatever. Try to get the movies and go through them. You will learn something about AI. Most of the sci-fi movies don't go for thrillers. You can go there as per your liking, or even you can go for romantic movies. I don't mind. But if you watch sci-fi movies, it will build insight in you. Now let us see this problem. Now take the screenshot of this URL www.learnforgood.com/games/puzzle/board.htm. You can write it on your copy or you can take the screenshot. So this problem, I wish that every AI student must know what is a missionaries and cannibals problem. So here there is a river and only one boat is there. Three missionaries are there. Missionary, Dharma Upadeshak uh, or disciples, sorry, sages. Sage means sadhu sannyasi type log. And three cannibals are there. मीन्स कुछ जंगली लोग हैं जो नरभक्षक है. They eat humans. And these missionaries want to cross that river. Now there is one condition, how to cross that river, how to go from one side to another side, opposite side, without any casualty. क्योंकि अगर आप अकेले में जाएंगे तो आपको कैनिबल किल कर सकते हैं आपको. तो इसमें कंडीशन ऐसी है कि आप कोई भी शोर पे रह सकते हैं, मतलब यू कैन बी ऑन एनी बैंक, मतलब किनारा, लेकिन आपकी संख्या जो है, मिशनरीज की संख्या जो है, वो कभी भी कैनिबल से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. दैट इज अ कंडीशन. नाउ यू शुड बी able to think how to write a program for such problems. I don't want to say that you write a program. If you search properly on net, you will get ready-made code, maybe in C, Java, Python, Prolog, or Lisp. Lot many languages are there. You will get ready-made code. You download it and run it on your machine. It will help you. And watch that code, how it is written. That is called as a reverse engineering. So without writing a code, you can learn lot many things. So this is a URL. You will get some code and demo also. It is applet like demo. It is a animation like a demo. Is there a Paki Mujmer in this class? Paki Mujmer है क्या? Who is NCR? Who is NCR in your class? Anybody can answer. Because I don't know. Anurag can answer, and Ashwini can answer, Dipali can answer, Himanshu, Rishikesh,
Paki.
Paki is there. And NCR, second NCR might be there, na? From boys side.
CR is Yash.
यश टावरी. तो ये
No,
अभी अभी अच्छा, फिर कौन, क्या उसका सरनेम क्या है फिर? सिद्धि जी बताइए ना, इनका सरनेम क्या है यश का?
Yash Dalal.
अच्छा, यश दलाल, ठीक है, ठीक है. तो ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है आजकल, मतलब लोग अटेंडेंस बहुत कम है, मतलब क्या लोग बोर हो गए क्या, कि मैं बोर करता हूँ ज़्यादा? सिद्धि जी बोलिए ना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Don't mute.
No, sir, I have no idea about the low attendance.
Any? I'm not asking. I'm not inspector like asking. I'm just general
Okay.
inquiring. मुझे पता है कि भाई लॉकडाउन की वजह से आप लोग भी मतलब ये होते फेडअप होते हैं और बहुत सारे क्लासेस चल रहे हैं. बाद में आपको यू हैव टू अटेंड लार्ज नंबर ऑफ क्लासेस, मे बी 4 और आई डोंट नो, बट no matter, there are only 2 lectures per subject, but students and people are getting bored because there is no gap, there is no uh, any means engagement like workshop or something. So this is becoming more monotonous, and it is means most of the efforts are going waste. So that is what we are means we people are uh, concerned about, because effort should not go waste and even students should get the proper intake. Anyway, whatever the numbers are there, I am satisfied because I want the people who are means sincerely receiving something or sincerely asking me something, even though it doesn't mean that ki, you if you want to ask me some question you must attend my class. That is not necessary. Even though you do not attend my single lecture, still you should be able to ask me something, anything. So whenever I provide you some URLs, try to, because बैठे बैठे आप कोई भी वेबसाइट को विजिट कर सकते हैं और आपको कुछ बातें पता चल सकती है जो आपके बुक में भी नहीं है. So anyway, from this slide, you can understand that uh, once we understand the problem of the missionaries and cannibals, then we have to write AI program, AI-based program for that problem. Then we must be able to formulate that problem. So here are some features like states, initial state, action, transition model, voltage and path cost. तो हमको ये समझने चाहिए मतलब. And if we understand this, then we can write good agent. Agent means that is a AI type program. So this is something is there, because even though if you know what is the algorithm, say if you are expert in DFS or BFS or maybe depth limited search, it's of no use, because you should be able to apply that to some problem. If you are not able to apply the algorithm, then it is of no use, because it should come in some realization. So coding is there. So that's why I suggested use shortcut. Ki whenever possible, try to get ready-made code from the website, directly run it. And I think you should have different types of compilers on your machine, including Java and C and whatever languages of your interest. But you should have, your machine must be equipped with all types of compilers. रेडीमेड कोड मिलता है उसको डायरेक्टली रन करो. इवन यू शुड हैव असेंबलर ऑन योर मशीन. There are different types of assemblers. Reverse assembler is also there. So you can download it. कि भाई असेंबली लैंग्वेज का कोड आप उसको मतलब एग्जीक्यूटेबल कोड को आप असेंबली लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं और असेंबली लैंग्वेज का कोड को आप जावा में जनरेट कर सकते हैं. मतलब दैट इज कॉल्ड एज रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग. तो उसके रेडीमेड टूल है, आपको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता. बट हाउ टू डू इट, ये आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग करने के लिए आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो भी आपके मशीन के ऊपर में करके देखना पड़ेगा. So that is what my submission. It is my submission. So in this way we have to formulate, and then we have to think about how to correlate tree with it. So you have to visualize कि भाई रेड कलर के जो डॉट्स है that is a cannibal, and black triangles are there, that is a missionary. There is a boat and there is a river. So you have to visualize. You should be able to visualize that thing. So you can take the help of pictures available on net and book. Now I told you what is the condition कि भाई एक टाइम पे एक साइड में कैनिबल्स की संख्या कम होनी चाहिए मिशनरीज की. मिशनरीज से। तो यहाँ पे उनके 3 ही मिशनरी है और 3 कैनिबल्स है। तो हमको क्या करना है यूज, वी हैव टू प्लान स्ट्रेटेजी हाउ द boat can be used to carry safely missionaries and cannibals, both either side, ए से बी तक या बी से ए तक, जो भी है। So we have to visualize what is the initial state that is there. तो अगर आप अपना थिंकिंग प्रोसेस अगर यूज नहीं करेंगे तो इट विल बी ऑफ नो यूज। नाउ अगेन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस। देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल लेडी, शी इज ओनली लाफिंग, शी इज laughing and wondering what is happening in this class. But you don't wonder it. Everything, whatever everything I do during my session, it has some objective. So take the screenshot of this. There is a one site that is called as a codeproject.com. इसके ऊपर में आप रजिस्टर करो. Everyone must register it there. And then form your groups. जैसे हम प्रोजेक्ट ग्रुप में बनाते हैं पीसी में या मिनी प्रोजेक्ट में या फिर फाइनल ईयर के प्रोजेक्ट में, वैसे आप ग्रुप बनाओ, जो भी आप दोस्त लोग हैं वो बनाओ, और उसमें कॉम्बिनेशन रखो, गर्ल्स बॉयज़ मिक्स रखो उसमें, और एक आधा अननोन पर्सन को भी डालो जो आपको ज़्यादा फैमिलियर है, मतलब एकदम खास दोस्ती नहीं है लेकिन भाई आप उसको मतलब थोड़ा बहुत जानते हैं, उसको डालो उसके अंदर। इवन अगर कोई थर्ड ईयर का या फाइनल ईयर का स्टूडेंट रहा तो भी उसको भी उसमें डाल सकते हैं आप। एंड फॉर्म द ग्रुप। तो इसमें क्या होता है मैं बताता हूँ आपको, व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस। अगर आपका ग्रुप रजिस्टर करता है इसमें तो आपको कुछ पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं। तो रजिस्टर करने के बाद में ये साइट आपको कुछ असाइनमेंट देंगी प्रोग्रामिंग। तो आप लोग एज ए ग्रुप करके 7 लोगों का ग्रुप, 5 लोगों का ग्रुप, वो आप असाइनमेंट कर सकते हैं। और हर असाइनमेंट को, प्रोग्रामिंग असाइनमेंट को कुछ लिमिटेशन रहता है, 1 दिन, 5 दिन, 10 दिन, 1 महीना, जो भी है। तो आपको टाइम लिमिट के अंदर में वो प्रोग्राम सबमिट करना पड़ता है वहाँ पे। एंड जस्ट लाइक यू, अदर टीम्स आर देयर। और ये जो कोड प्रोजेक्ट में फॉरेन के लोग भी रहते हैं इसमें, फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के, एशियन कंट्रीज़, यूरोपियन कंट्रीज़, अमेरिकन कंट्रीज़। तो अगर आप सेम ही टास्क पे काम कर रहे हैं, मतलब यू आर कंपेयरिंग योर सेल्फ विद इंटरनेशनल people of your own age group or maybe senior, junior, whatever. It depends on how you have composed your group. और उसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे जैसे आप टास्क सॉल्व करते जाते हैं तो आपके पॉइंट्स बढ़ते जाते हैं। एवरीवन हैज़ सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स। तो वो पॉइंट्स जैसे बढ़ते हैं, अगर आपके पॉइंट्स पर्टिकुलर एक लेवल के ऊपर में जाते हैं, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग दिस थिंग। नितीन साळुंके, कृपया प्लीज तुमचा माईक अनम्यूट करा. हॅलो नितीन, नितीन साळुंके, प्राजक्ता, प्राजक्ता माठे, पलक अग्रवाल, please unmute your point. Even you all can unmute your mics and talk with me, because I want to ask you one question ki why I am asking you that you should register in this website codeproject.com. So someone should come and ask me this. सिद्धि मेहता, सिद्धि जी, गोपाल शेड़के, आपके क्लास में कोई अकोला का है क्या? अकोला साइड से अकोला के आसपास। Is there anybody from Shegaon itself, local? कोई है? अच्छा, आप मुझे सुन रहे हैं कि नहीं? कम से कम एक बार फिर से हैंड्स रेज करके बताओ मुझे। प्लीज रेज युअर हैंड्स। अश्विनी आणि हिमांशु आहे, बा ठीक आहे। अनुराग विंचुरकर, अरे यार क्यों ऐसा मत करो यार। अरे अनुराग, विचार बरं मग। अनुराग विंचुरकर, अनम्यूट योर माइक एंड आस्क मी वन क्वेश्चन। अरे मैं क्वेश्चन बता रहा ना आपको, आप खुद मत पूछो ना। अनुराग, माइक ऑन कर तुझा आणि माझा माइक तो ऑन कर यार।
हॅलो सर, बोला.
हा 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 अनुराग, मला तो हे विचार की बाब ही का बरं सांगत आहे मी किती महत्वाचं आहे हे तुम्हाला कोणीच सांगणार नाही, हे फक्त मी जे सांगून राहिलो ते होतं मन। आता तुला
हो
5
सर.
मिनिटात, हा ठीक आहे, आता सांगतो कसं। हे बा, गुगल किंवा ॲमेझॉन ह्या काही वेबसाईट ॲड्स काढतात का कधी? पेपरमध्ये येते की वॉन्टेड 3 प्रोग्रॅमर, वॉन्टेड 1 मॅनेजर, असे येते का कधी? सांग हो की नाही?
नाही सर.
कधीच नाही येत। मग ते काय करतात, ते एम्प्लॉई कसे घेतात? ते काय IITत आणि असे तसे जातात का? नाही, तिथे नाही जात ते। कसे घेतात ते? अशा काही वेबसाईट्स आहेत कोड प्रोजेक्ट सारख्या, तिथे ते वॉच करतात की कोणते मुलांचे ग्रुपला वॉच करतात ते, पण त्यातला कोणतरी घेतात ते। दे वॉच द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज ऑफ द ग्रुप्स, आणि जिथे सगळ्यात जास्त ॲक्टिव्हिटी दिसतात, जसं GitHub आहे समजा किंवा कोड प्रोजेक्ट आहे, तर ते त्यांचे जे पॉईंट्स जे असतात ना, म्हणजे ते हे कंपन्याच हे जे कोड प्रोजेक्ट काय फुकटात थोडी वेबसाईट करून आला, त्याला काही पैसे थोडी भेटून आले, त्याला पैसे कोणतरी देत असेल ना। तर हे ॲमेझॉनवाले, ते गुगलवाले, हे त्यांना पैसे देतात, स्पॉन्सर करतात की तुम्ही अशा वेबसाईट करा आणि आम्हाला बा एक टिपिकल टाईपचं टॅलेंट पाहिजे। तर जेव्हा तुम्ही ग्रुप बनवून एखाद्या असाइनमेंट करता, तुमच्या त्या लेवल्स वाढत जातात, लेवल 1 2 3 4, आणि तुमचा स्कोअर वाढत जाते। अँड देन दे सेंड यू मेल की भाई आर यू रेडी टू फेस इंटरव्ह्यू फॉर दिस। आता मी हे खोटं बोलत नाही, तुमचे पासआउट जे मुलं आहेत, सुधांशु सावरी आहे किंवा बाकी लोक, त्यांना विचारा, दोज हू आर सिलेक्टेड इन गुगल अँड ॲमेझॉन। ॲमेझॉनचं काही असा फुल कॅम्पस नसते असते। देन हाऊ इंडियन पीपल आर गोइंग देअर? सो दे आर गोइंग थ्रू सच ॲक्टिव्हिटीज। So what I want to say is that ki you engage yourself in lectures also as well as in such sites. I have just given you only one example. I will be, अगर समझे मैंने अगर 10 साइट्स अगर आपको बताता है एक स्लाइड पे ब्यूटीफुल लड़की के साथ में, तो क्या फायदा उसका? इट्स ऑफ नो यूज। माई ऑब्जेक्टिव इज दैट कि यू शुड सर्च ऑन योर ओन कि हु आर रनिंग सच वेबसाइट्स। जैसे मैं और आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ, programmerheavens.com, programmerheavens.com, हेवन मतलब स्वर्ग, वैसे कुछ साइट्स है। तो दे रन some type of interactive portals where there are some weightages are given there। जैसे गूगल GitHub में आपको पुल रिक्वेस्ट आते हैं, आपके फॉलोअर रहते हैं, जैसे मतलब ट्विटर में या यूट्यूब में फॉलोअर रहते हैं। तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन योर स्कोर this company select, so you don't have to watch for some advertise or some agent। these companies don't work through agent। जैसे TCS क्या करता है, एप्टीट्यूड कैसे लेता है? वो खुद लेता है क्या? नहीं, TCS ने आउटसोर्स कर दिया है। इन्फोसिस ने एप्टी लेना वगैरह सब आउटसोर्स कर दिया है। वो सिर्फ उनके HR के लोग आपका इंटरव्यू लेते हैं। एंड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन टाइप ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स दे आर गेटिंग। नॉर्मली क्या है, इनको फॉरेन से आउटसोर्सिंग का काम मिलता है, और वो आउटसोर्सिंग का काम जिस टाइप का रहता है उसके हिसाब से वो टैलेंट सर्च करते हैं। तो ये अपने इंडियन कंपनी का हो गया, बट प्लान फॉर बिगर कंपनीज लाइक अमेजॉन, गूगल और मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज। ये जियो वगैरह ऐसे छोटे मोटे कंपनी के बारे में सोचो मत आप, उसमें पगार नहीं मिलता। छुट्टी पे गए तो आपका पगार कटता है, मतलब मान लो 30 दिन का महीना रहता है, If I go 4 days on vacation or may on some leave, so they deduct my 4 days from my salary. ऐसे कंपनी में मत जाओ जिसमें आवरली, मतलब एक मजदूर रहता है ना, उसमें आवरली ये रहता है, मतलब आप कंपनी में एंट्री करते हैं, आप कार्ड स्वाइप करते हैं गेट पे, कंपनी के अंदर जाते हैं, काम करते हैं 6 घंटे 8 घंटे जो भी है वर्किंग आवर्स, और वापस जाते हैं। अगर समझो मान लिया आपके घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया, आपके पिताजी की तबीयत खराब हो गई या आपके सिस्टर की तबीयत खराब हो गई, तो आप आउट करके है तो 6 घंटे के पहले ही आप घर पे जा रहे हैं, तो वो कंपनी क्या करती है कि आवर्स के हिसाब से आपका पगार उतना डिडक्ट करती है। तो ये अमेजॉन गूगल वगैरह ये ऐसी कंपनी नहीं है। तो ट्राई टू सर्च फॉर सच कंपनीज वेयर दे केयर फॉर योर वर्क, योर टैलेंट, योर इनोवेशन, मतलब दैट माइंड थिंकिंग कैपेबिलिटी एंड योर इथिक्स, गुड मॉरलिटी। अगर आप अच्छे हैं, झूठ नहीं बोलते, एरोगेंटली बात नहीं करते, तो दे केयर फॉर दैट थिंग एंड दे विल पे यू। वो कभी नहीं बोलेंगे कि भाई 12, हमारे यहाँ पे कैसा है कि 10 बजे नहीं आए, लेट हो गए, लेट मार्क, ऐसा ऐसा उधर नहीं रहता कभी। गूगल के ऑफिस में अगर आप जाएंगे, देखिए, समझिए उसको, तो वहाँ पे प्लेग्राउंड है, स्विमिंग पूल है, पार्लर है, आइसक्रीम है, सब मिलता है। आप मतलब अपने वर्किंग डेज पे खेलते खेलते काम कर सकते हैं। दे प्रोवाइड यू, इवन आपको फुटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, रैकेट वो फुकट में वहाँ पे मिल जाएगी। आप काम करो, कोडिंग करो, बोर हो गए, फेडअप हो गए, बाहर जाओ, स्विमिंग पूल पे नहा के आओ, नाश्ता करके आओ, आइसक्रीम खा के जाओ। उसमें ऐसा नहीं है कि लंच ब्रेक और ये ब्रेक, मुतने का ब्रेक, हागने का ब्रेक, ऐसा नहीं रहता उधर अच्छे कंपनी में। तो यू शुड नो दोज थिंग्स। तो ये आप कैसे पता चलेगा आपको? इफ़ यू डू समथिंग, सिंपली इवन लिसनिंग इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, वट एवर आई एम टेलिंग यू हैव टू एक्ट ऑन इट। तो ऐसा मेरा कहना था। तो आई एम थैंकफुल फॉर 3 पीपल हु इंटरेक्टेड विथ मी, और वो भी मेरे को ज़बरदस्ती से करना पड़ा तो मुझे जनरली ज़बरदस्ती अच्छी लगती नहीं। तो एनीवे, आई एम एंडिंग हियर, वी शैल सी रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ, क्योंकि देखिए एल्गोरिथम वगैरह बहुत छोटी मोटी बातें रहती है। इफ़ यू गो थ्रू 1 or 2 एग्जाम्पल्स, दैट इज सफिशिएंट टू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग, and even it is sufficient to solve the exam problems. So I am thankful to you. I am closing here. We shall see remaining part in next session. Thank you very much.